Welcome back to Microbe World. Today we explore the incredible immune system and the powerful steel shield of the HPV vaccine. In our previous episode, we decoded the dangerous map of HPV strains that secretly threaten human health around the entire globe. However, there is a very hopeful truth that few people know about how our bodies react to this hidden viral threat. The human body is not weak at all. In fact, it possesses an extraordinary defense mechanism against most microscopic cellular invaders. Amazingly, about 90% of HPV infections will completely disappear on their own within just 2 years of the initial exposure. This miraculous recovery happens thanks to the relentless and silent hard work of your body's incredibly complex internal immune defense system. So why do we still need a vaccine if our bodies are naturally equipped to fight off this common viral infection? And why do some unfortunate individuals fail to naturally eliminate this specific virus from their cellular structures over a long time? Today, we will deeply investigate the fierce microscopic battle happening inside your body and the true power of medical vaccine technology. Imagine your amazing immune system functioning exactly like a highly trained army dedicated to protecting a vast and bustling modern city. When the HPV virus first invades the basal cell layer, it acts with extreme cunning and remarkable stealth to avoid detection. It deliberately avoids causing any massive inflammation, which makes it incredibly difficult for the white blood cell patrol squads to notice. This silent invasion allows the virus to establish a hidden stronghold deep within your tissues without triggering any immediate alarm bells. The virus quietly hijacks the cellular machinery, forcing your own cells to produce more viral particles while remaining completely hidden inside. However, a strong and healthy immune system will eventually recognize those strange foreign proteins lurking within the affected microscopic tissue areas. Once detected, the body's defense forces rapidly begin producing specialized antibodies designed to surround, neutralize, and completely destroy the invading virus. These antibodies act like precision-guided missiles, seeking out the specific viral structures and locking onto them with absolute chemical accuracy. This intense biological warfare is exactly why maintaining a highly healthy lifestyle plays such a vital role in your overall survival. Adequate nutrition, regular physical exercise, and a positive mental state give your immune army the essential resources needed to win battles. These healthy habits help your body naturally clear the HPV virus long before it can cause any dangerous cellular mutations inside. A well-nourished body produces stronger white blood cells, ensuring that the biological patrol squads are always ready for any threat. But the harsh reality is that our natural immune system does not always win every single battle against these microscopic enemies. This is especially true when facing highly aggressive viral assassins like HPV type 16 or HPV type 18 in the body. These high-risk strains have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to bypass our defenses and stubbornly persist inside the delicate cervical tissue layers. When the virus persists for years, it slowly alters the host DNA, pushing normal healthy cells toward a dangerous precancerous state. That is precisely the critical moment when we urgently need the powerful scientific assistance provided by modern medical vaccine prevention technology. Many people express deep concern that vaccines might contain live, dangerous viruses that could accidentally cause the exact disease they prevent. Fortunately, the scientific truth is completely different and much safer than those common misconceptions floating around in our modern public discourse. The modern HPV vaccine is brilliantly created using harmless virus-like particles, completely avoiding the use of any actual live viruses. These synthetic particles are essentially just empty protein shells that perfectly mimic the unique external structure of the real HPV virus. Because they do not contain any actual viral DNA inside, these empty shells are biologically incapable of causing any real infection. The vaccine is completely safe and physically cannot give you the HPV virus or cause any related diseases under any circumstances. When injected into your body, this harmless empty shell acts exactly like a highly detailed wanted poster for your immune system. It safely trains your biological army to quickly recognize and memorize the specific enemy features without facing any actual infectious danger. Your immune cells study this structural blueprint, producing a massive reserve of specialized memory cells, ready for future real-world encounters. Because of this advanced preparation, if the real virus ever tries to invade, your body will destroy it almost instantly on contact. The defensive response becomes incredibly fast and overwhelmingly powerful, completely neutralizing the viral threat before it can establish any cellular foothold. The true power of the current HPV vaccine is truly remarkable, especially the advanced, non-valent version that targets 9 different strains. This incredibly potent 9-valent vaccine has the remarkable ability to protect us from the most common cancer-causing viral strains. It also provides excellent protection against the specific viral types that are known to cause uncomfortable and distressing genital wart conditions. Clinical studies show that its protective efficiency reaches over 90% when administered correctly at the optimal time in life. The absolute best time to receive this powerful vaccination is before any potential sexual exposure to the virus has ever occurred. However, a very large and frequently asked question remains in the minds of many adults who are considering getting this vaccine. People often wonder, if I have already been sexually active, does getting the HPV vaccine still provide any real medical benefits? The definitive scientific answer to that important question is a resounding yes. You absolutely can and should still get the vaccination. Even though the highest efficacy is achieved before any viral contact, the vaccine still offers highly valuable protection for active adults. It effectively helps you prevent infections from other dangerous viral strains that you have not yet encountered in your sexual history. Furthermore, it actively prevents the dangerous reinfection of older strains that your immune system may have previously fought off and cleared. Your natural immunity after an infection is often quite weak, so the vaccine provides a much stronger and longer-lasting defense. By boosting your antibody levels significantly, the vaccine ensures that any returning viral invaders are swiftly defeated before causing new problems. This means that even older individuals can significantly reduce their personal risk of developing severe cellular abnormalities by receiving the vaccine. The HPV vaccine is not just a personal protective shield. It is also a vital tool for safeguarding our human community. When a large portion of the population is immunized, the virus struggles to find new hosts, effectively breaking the transmission chain. This concept of herd immunity protects vulnerable individuals who cannot receive the vaccine due to severe allergies or compromised immune systems. By choosing to get vaccinated, we actively help reduce the heavy burden of dangerous diseases for all of our future generations. We are collectively building a safer, healthier world where cervical cancer and other HPV-related diseases become rare and manageable conditions. The global effort to eradicate these specific cancers relies heavily on widespread education and accessible vaccination programs for everyone, everywhere, today. However, we must always remember that simply getting the vaccination is not the absolute final step in protecting your long-term physical health. While incredibly effective, the current vaccines do not cover 100% of all the various HPV strains that currently exist. There are still some less common, yet potentially dangerous viral types that can slip past the vaccine's powerful protective protein shield. So, what exactly must we do after vaccination to ensure our absolute safety and maintain complete peace of mind going forward? The ultimate answer lies in the final protective safety net of modern preventative healthcare: regular and highly accurate medical screening procedures. Routine screenings act as an early warning system, detecting microscopic cellular changes long before they can develop into dangerous cancerous tumors. These advanced medical tests allow doctors to intervene quickly and safely remove any problematic tissues before they pose a serious threat. Combining the preventative power of vaccines with the vigilant monitoring of regular screenings, creates an almost impenetrable defense against this virus. This dual approach is the gold standard, recommended by top health organizations worldwide, to completely eliminate the threat of cervical cancer. Every single woman should understand the critical importance of maintaining a strict schedule for her routine gynecological health checkups and screenings. Men also play a crucial role by getting vaccinated and supporting their partners in prioritizing these essential preventative healthcare measures. The journey of understanding the complex relationship between the human immune system and the HPV virus is truly fascinating and empowering. We have learned how our bodies fight back naturally, and how brilliant scientific innovations provide us with the ultimate protective weapons. From the silent invasion of the basal cells to the massive antibody counterattack, the microscopic world inside us is always active. We now clearly understand why the vaccine is completely safe, utilizing empty protein shells instead of dangerous live viral DNA materials. We also know that it is never too late to benefit from the vaccine's protection, regardless of your past sexual history. Protecting yourself is the very first step toward creating a much healthier and safer community for every single person around you. The fight against HPV is a collective battle that requires both individual responsibility and widespread public health awareness across the globe. Knowledge is our most powerful weapon, and understanding how these biological mechanisms work allows us to make the best health decisions. By sharing this vital information with friends and family, you can actively help save lives and prevent unnecessary suffering and fear. Let us continue to marvel at the incredible resilience of the human body and the astonishing advancements of modern medical science. In our next highly anticipated episode, we will dive deep into the fascinating and advanced world of modern medical screening procedures. We will explore exactly how the latest laboratory technologies can detect even the smallest hidden traces of viral DNA with precision. You will discover the step-by-step process of how these critical, life-saving tests are performed in modern clinical laboratories. We will also discuss the latest global guidelines and recommendations for maintaining optimal reproductive health throughout every stage of your life. Understanding these advanced screening methods will give you the complete confidence you need to take absolute control of your personal health. The future of medicine is incredibly bright, and we are moving closer to a world completely free from HPV-related cancers. Until then, remember to prioritize your health, maintain a strong immune system, and utilize the amazing protective tools available to us. Your body is a miraculous biological machine, and with the right care and knowledge, it can overcome almost any microscopic challenge. Stay informed, stay proactive, and never underestimate the immense power of prevention when it comes to securing your long-term well-being. We hope this episode has provided you with valuable insights and practical knowledge to protect yourself and your loved ones effectively. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible microscopic journey and for being a valued member of our community. Thank you for watching Microbe World. Please do not forget to subscribe so you never miss our precious health protection knowledge.